Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Dinuba, local, and long-distance movers near me. If you're wanting to take the worry out of your move, our competent movers make your long-distance move simpler. We assist you with your move no matter how far you need to go, from 100 miles to more than 1,000 miles. Moving isn't very easy. However, using the right moving services can certainly make it so much simpler. Along with loading, transportation, and unloading, our team also provides many other moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It may not be easy to rationalize the cost of hiring a California moving company. A local company offers many benefits, which can be well worth the cost. A good moving company can really help you save time, regardless of how far you're moving. It will also prevent you from needing to take care of heavy lifting. With our skilled movers, you receive a very efficient move from start to finish. Using a local moving company such as 3 Movers, you get a streamlined move. A move that may take you all weekend to finish, we can take care of in one day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dinuba moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.